Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see one of the important tips and tricks related on Python programming language. And this video is very important, belongs in machine learning, data scientist, data engineer and any IT industry you belongs. And if you are working in programming language, so definitely this video and this logic is very important for you. Last couple of years, personally I'm using loop condition, so like a for loop condition and execute the logic. But if you are trying to loop, so you need to write like a 2-3 lines code and some of the words and putting some of the important logic. But you can replace entire loop and introduce vectorization. Compared to loop, vectorization is 100 times fast and generate as a result. In this video, I'll provide you one simple program. Using this one, you can understand which one is the best and which one is the bad. And next time, definitely you also use vectorization and replace your loop in your brain. So let's check it out in laptop screen. So let's start as a demonstration. I am using as a demonstration point of view Jupyter notebook using Anaconda navigator because of the explanation is very easy and simplest way to understand also. So I just simply open here Anaconda and wait a couple of seconds accordingly. Perfect. Then I enter here my environment. So there I am install all packages and library because of today we are execute as a vectorization, so that point of view we need to some of the package like a NumPy. Okay, now I open here Jupyter notebook terminal. Perfect. Now I just simply go as a desktop and here new and here new file, open. Perfect. And I just simply save demo video, enter, and here I put it here one code. I already write this code because of I'm not spending too much time of audience. So look at this here. First of all, we are calling here the loop code using loop. So I introduce here import time. Time is a library. Start equal to time dot time in function, and here I call it here total equal to sum. So 0 is current starting sum, and then I introduce here for loop item in range 0 to 1.5 million numbers, total equal to total plus item, then print sum is addition string and then total because of we are provided already in string specific number, and the all data store in end equal to time dot time because of this one start time and end time, and then print end time minus start time. And then we can see here what exactly which result we are receiving here. So look at this, we are receiving here perfect results, but execution time is 0.13 second. So as it is code I introduce here using vectorization, so then we will see how much time we are spending here for the vectorization point of view. So look at this here, I call it here the vectorization code same as it is, everything is logic, just only 5 numbers line, and here I am writing too much like a 8-line code, and this one is a 5-line code, and we are receiving the result more than fast compared to the loop function. So look at this here, import NumPy because of vectorization itself introduce come to the NumPy, so that's why start equal to time dot time, this function as it is I'm using here also in loop function, and then print the totally print we are provided here, print what number we needed as a print format, sum and arrange also, and then here end equal to time is time. So this function is as it is same, and the print function is as it is same line, but you just add everything on the printf function and then execute. And look at this here, this sentence are execute within a 0.0 second compared to this number. This results are generating more than fast compared to this one. That one is really amazing if you are replace as a for loop and introduce as a vectorization. So definitely you are receiving good results and fast, except the traditional loop condition. If you really like these tips and tricks, so please hit the bell icon, subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.